Sears Modern Homes were catalog and kit houses sold primarily through mail order by Sears, Roebuck and Company, an American retailer. Sold primarily to customers in East Coast and Midwest states, Sears homes have been located as far south as Florida and as far west as California. Examples have also been found in Alaska and Canada. Sears reported that more than 70,000 of these homes were sold in North America between 1908 and 1940. More than 370 different home designs in a wide range of architectural styles and sizes were offered over the program's 34-year history. Sears Modern Homes offered the latest technology available to house buyers in the early part of the 20th century. Central heating, indoor plumbing, and electricity were all new developments in house design that Modern Homes incorporated, although not all of the houses were designed with these conveniences. Primarily shipped via railroad boxcars, these kits included most of the materials needed to build a house. Once delivered, many of these houses were assembled by the new homeowner, relatives, friends and neighbors in a fashion similar to the traditional barn raisings of farming families. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.